Hi everyone and welcome in a beautiful Rhodes. Today I'm bringing you a full body yoga practice that is good for everyday practicing if you want to gain some flexibility, physical strength and in general mental well-being. So let's get started. Alright, we start in a cross-legged seated pose. Just make yourself comfortable. You can wiggle a little bit your spine. Keep your shoulders down, relax your hands on your knees. You can close your eyes in the beginning as we take a few moments to focus on the breathing. So as we sit, we slowly inhale through the nose. And we slowly exhale through the nose. Slowly inhale through your nose. Exhale through the nose. We also try to use the belly, so every inhale, feel your belly coming out. Every exhale, feel your belly coming in. Inhale, feel your belly coming out. Exhale, feel your belly coming in. Now we try to keep the same rhythm of breathing for the whole class. So we don't speed up. We don't hold it inside. We just let the breath guide us through each pose and connect us to the present moment. So let's bring the mind here, body here, as we consciously start the practice. We start to warm up our neck, so when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes, chin on the chest, and just press with your hands into your head a little bit, not too much. Applying a gentle pressure on the back side of our neck. So practicing a deep breathing, looking down. And then we join the hands together, pressing up into the palms, into the hands, looking up as well. Inhale as you look up. Exhale, it's still to one side. Keep the chest open, glutes down. Inhale, we go up. Exhale, let's just go to the other side. Look up at your arm if you can. Inhale, we go up. Exhale, let's open the arms. Again, join your hands together, clutch your fingers, press into your hands. Go a little bit down through your hips with your chest, with your head, and up with your arms. Just as much as you can. Keeping your chest open. Opening your heart. Now keep your belly down, chest down, head down. And just walk with your hands in front as far as possible. Releasing any tension from your spine, from your shoulders, extending your spine, extending your back. And then let's walk back with your hands. Slowly breathing, we change the position as we go now on the hands, on the knees. And from here, just open your knees to the side. Keep your feet together. Just arch a little bit your back, pushing back into your glutes. Extending again the arms in front, child pose. Here we slowly open our hips. We'll warm up the spine, extend the back. And if you can, keep your forehead down. And just go with your arms back next to your feet, next to your body. You can just place it on your feet to get this nice, relaxed feeling in your body. And again, you can close your eyes, focus on your breathing to get this grounding. To get yourself here on this place, on your mat. To be present. To be with yourself. Then from here, just slowly sit down, keep seated on your heels. Close your knees, same like your hips. Get yourself up on your feet, on your knees. You can squeeze your glutes, place your hands on your lower back. Keep your feet relaxed and just gently press into your hips. Open your chest, open your heart again, looking up into the camel pose. If you feel like you can reach for your heels. If it's too much in this part of the practice, just keep your hands on your lower spine. Don't hold your breath. Keep on breathing, using the belly. Every exhale, bending your back a little bit more. One more inhale. Exhale. Keep your spine straight. Sit again on your heels. And we will go now with the left arm just behind. Press down into your elbow. You can stay in this way. Or if you can, try to reach with the other hand. If you cannot keep the hands together, it's fine to do it as we did before, or you can use a belt or a scarf or anything to hold your hands together, to keep them attached to something. Here, be careful not to close your shoulders. Keep them nice and open. Then very gently and slowly just open your arms. You press the other elbow down, press into your elbow. Keep on breathing. And then if you can, join with the other hand as well. Just open, shoulders open. Then when you're ready, slowly open your hearts again. And we come now on the hands, on the knees. To warm up the hamstrings, we will make one step back with one foot staying on the toes. And we just move a little bit front and back. So we apply a little pressure on our toes. We feel the hamstrings that are warming up. Let's do 5 like this. 4, strong with the core. 3, 2, 1, and knee in front. Let's change the other leg back and press into the toes. Strong with the core also here with your shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's do now 2 steps back into the plank. Strong with your glutes, with your core. We slowly go down on the knees, chest between the hands and chin, Ashtanga. Keep your hips up, elbows close to the body as we bring ourselves or in a baby cobra, or if you can already, full cobra. Don't relax on your shoulders, keep them down, chest is open. Squeeze your glutes to protect your lower spine. Breathe through your belly. Our heart is open, lungs are open, so keep on breathing. You fill them up with the fresh air, with the new energy. Then keep your glutes squeezed. Slowly bring your body a little bit up. Again, tuck your toes. Down with your chest, with your chin, then relax the legs. And let's stay down on the belly. Now point your feet, bring your legs a little bit up, arms in front. I would like you to go with your right hand on your right foot. Other arm is front. As you exhale, let's lift up a little bit the arms, chest, and legs. Keep on breathing, slowly looking front, and then release. Still keep the right leg bended. You can press it a little bit closer to the glutes. And then just keep your leg there. Hands goes under the shoulders. Point the other foot as well. And let's roll to the left side. So the right leg is like going, bend it over the body, follow with your head. Breathe. And return. Let's come back. Let's do the same thing with the left hand, left foot. So grab your ankle, other arm in front. As we exhale, we go up with the arms, chest, legs, both pointed. Feel a little pressure in our lower back. Just don't go over. If there's too much pain, be careful, be cautious. How your body feels. And then relax. Press that foot close to your left glute. And then keep it there. Hands under the shoulders. And follow with your left leg to the right side. So that we roll, go to the left leg over. And let's come back. Slowly take your time. Hands are still under the shoulders. Feet are pointed. Glutes are squeezed. As we exhale, we bring the body up in a cobra or baby cobra. Shoulders down, chest open. Nice strong with the core. We go back on the knees, on the toes, into the plank. Just to make sure that we have the right distance between the hands, between the feet. Hands are under the shoulders. Exhale, we go in a downward facing dog. Now in here, feel free to bend your legs. Focus on your spine, push through your chest, in your hands. It's more important to keep your spine straight than your legs. Let's breathe here slowly, using the belly. Hold it for 3 more. 2. And 1. Looking between the hands. We do 1, 2 steps in front into the halfway length. And you can slide with your hands a little bit higher. Straight spine, chest open. As we exhale, head goes closer to the knees. From here, let's slowly roll up. Just vertebra by vertebra, straightening the spine, releasing the shoulders. Head is the last. Relax your hands next to the body. Now you can stay as you are. Just cross with the right foot over the left one. Try to keep the feet in one line. You can always bend a little bit your knees. Right arm is going up. Just grab the wrist with the other hand. We pull ourselves to one side, giving again our body a nice side stretch. Then going up with the hands, still keeping the legs crossed, we slowly fold forward through the belly, chest and head. Bend a bit the knees, that's fine. You can stay on the toes on one foot, just keep them aligned. You should feel one side, on back side of the leg a little bit more than the other one. And then we go up again. With the arms, inhale. Feet next to each other. Let's cross with the other foot. So keep feet are in a line. We just grab the left wrist, pulling ourselves to the right side. Giving our body a nice side stretch. Then inhale, we go up. Exhale, straight your arms, going slowly down. Bend your knees a bit, it's fine. Trying to get with the belly closer to the thighs, closer to the legs. And then again, we go up with the arms. Open the feet, same like your hips. Keep the arms up. As we inhale, we arch the back a little bit, just looking up. Hands together, exhale. Let's go all the way down. Head to the knees. Inhale, halfway length, straighten your spine, bend your legs. 1, 2 steps back into the plank. We go now down, knees, chest and chin. Elbows are close to the body. Press into your hands. Inhale, let's start to go in an upward facing dog. So the hips are up, glutes are squeezed. Pressing into the palms to get nice strength from the hands. As we exhale, let's flip the toes. We go in a downward facing dog. We hold it here for 3, 2, and 1. Look between your hands. 1, 2 steps in front, halfway length. As we exhale, head goes to the knees. Inhale, let's go all the way up. Straight arms, you can arch your back a little bit. Exhale, down with the hands. Let's do this one more time. Inhale, up with the arms, arch your back a little bit. Exhale, down, head to the knees. Inhale, halfway length. Exhale, 1, 2 steps back. You can go now down with chaturanga. Hands are under the shoulders, elbows close to the body. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Open chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Look between your hands. 1, 2 steps in front, halfway length. As we exhale, head goes to the knees. Inhale, let's go all the way up, arching the spine. Exhale, down with the hands. Relax them next to the body. Namaste. Now let's start in the same way. Once you catch your breath, inhale. Let's go up, arching the spine. Exhale, down, head to the knees. Inhale, halfway length. Exhale, 1, 2 steps back. Let's go down with chaturanga. Inhale, upper facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. If you feel now comfortable, you can press down with your heels. Feel more your hamstrings. Now from here, let's look between the hands. We will make 1 big step in front with the right foot front. High lunge. I'm pressing a little bit into the left toe to keep this leg nice straight. Front leg is bended 90 degrees. Once you get the stability, let's go up with the arms with the body. As you exhale, let's go a little bit lower into our hips to get the grounding, gain more stability. On your next exhale, let's turn the left foot. We open in warrior 2, looking at the right hand. Here, just follow the movement of my arms as I go with the left hand behind the back, left shoulder is open, not moving my legs, I'm just going with the right arm over the head, reverse warrior. I'm even going more here into the right knee, stretch more my side. Next exhale, right arm up, down, left arm over the head, extended side angle. Now from here, slowly let's go down with the left hand. You just keep the hands together. Turn again the right foot front and just shuffle with your right foot a bit more to the side. If you feel that your knee can fall a little bit direction outside, just let it fall. Be careful not to experience any strong or shooting pain. Do just as much as your body allows you. Here, I get the strength on my hands and I just move the body a little bit front and back. Again, just little movement, less is more. Remember that. Be opening that right hip. Let's do it a few more times, front and back for your own rhythm. And just let the knee fall down, relax that foot. And we slowly, with every exhale, bend the arms a little bit more. Try to go down equally with both arms. Don't go just with one arm a little bit more, but equally down. If you feel comfortable, let's stay down on the elbow. Try to go down also with your belly to avoid rounding the back. Every exhale we are sending into the right hip. Just keep on breathing slowly. We stay here a little bit longer. Hold it for 3. 2. Use your belly. And 1. Let's lift your body up. Close your knee. Shuffle it back into the middle, in between your hands. As we exhale, we straighten the front leg. Tuck your toes on your back leg. Look at your front toes. And in your own time, once you're ready, just push yourself in front, halfway lengthen. Next exhale, head is going to the knees. Inhale, let's go with the body all the way up, arching the spine. Exhale, down with the hands. Namaste. Let's get your breath together. And we do it one more time. Inhale, we go up, arching the spine. Exhale, down, head to the knees. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, 1, 2 steps back, chaturanga down. Inhale, upper facing dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. We hold it here for 3. 2. 1. Let's look between the hands. So 1 step front with the left. Big step. Keep the front leg 90 degrees. Back leg nice, straight and strong. Once we got the balance, let's go up with the arms, up with the body. And next exhale, just go a little bit lower through your hips to get the stability, get the balance. Strong core. Squeeze your glutes a little bit, even if it seems difficult. On your next exhale, let's open in warrior 2 to the other side. But arching the back nice and strong with my belly, with my abdomen, with my core. Arms are in a line. Looking on my left hand. And without moving the legs, I'm just going with the right arm behind, opening the right shoulder. Left arm is going over the head, going a little bit into the left knee. Chest is open. Looking up if you can. Breathe in here. Breathe out. Let's go to the other side in extended side angle. And keep your arm on your thigh or keep it down. Chest is open, looking up. Now carefully let's go down with that right hand. Turning again in front, turning the right foot, hands are next to each other. Shuffling with the left foot a little bit to the side. And if you feel that your left knee can fall to the side as well, just let it fall. I'm still strong with the back, leg, strong with that knee. Strongly on my hands, on my palms, just moving a little bit front and back. Applying this little pressure on my hips, no big movements, just the little ones. To warm up that area, but also to release anything that we are storing in our hips. Just let every breath to release that area, every breath out. Just feel that everything is accumulated there. It's going out, flowing in your body. There's no reason to suppress any emotions, any feelings. Let them go, feel more like this. Then we just drop the knee, relax the foot. Still that knee can be a little bit outside. As you exhale, slowly bend your arms. Try to go equally down, also with your belly. Not rounding the back. Belly down. You can stay here if you feel comfortable. You can try to go down on your elbows. Hold it here for a while. Slowly breathe. Use your belly when you're breathing. Let's just take 3 more deep breaths. 2, and 1. Very slowly and carefully lift your chest up again. Close that knee. Bring that foot in between your hands. Tuck your back toes as you exhale. Straight the front leg just as much as you can. If it's a bit bended, that's fine. Look at your toes. Stretch the hamstrings. Gain the balance, the strength. And once you're ready, let's just push ourselves in front, halfway lengthen. As we exhale, head goes to the knees. Inhale, we go all the way up, arching the spine. Exhale, join the hands together in a prayer. And we just open the legs, open the arms. Make sure your feet are going front or a little bit inside. Protect your knees. Hands on the hips. Just use the movement of your thumbs to show your hips the directions. Just fold forward, straight with the back. Once you're down enough that you can reach your toes, let's go with the peace fingers around your toes. And as you exhale, open your elbows to the side, bringing your body closer to your legs. Again, just slowly breathe through your belly. Hold it here. Use the strength of your arms to stretch your legs more. And then release your hands. Slowly roll up. Spine, shoulders, head. Now, if the feet are going frontly, just turn one direction outside. The hips didn't change, they are still going front. Arms are in a line. We go with the right hand closer to the right foot. So it's the foot that is turned outside. Try to keep the arms in line and chest open. So go just until the moment that you can be sure your back is straight. So if you feel that your body is closing, just 2 step back. Even if you're up here, that's fine. Triangle pose. Great pose for a lower back, for the hamstrings. In your own time, let's go slowly up. Let's close with the right foot. Open with the left, still having the arms in a line. Down with the left hand. Up with the right arm. You can look up at your hand. If you have any pain in your neck, just relax your head. Chest is open. And gently let's go up. And we close the feet, relax the hands next to the body. Let's get your breath here together. Once you're ready, and you inhale. Let's go all the way up with your arms, bending the back. Exhale, down, head to the knees. Inhale, halfway length. Exhale, let's do 1, 2 steps back. Let's go down, chaturanga or knees, chest, chin. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Now from here, when you're ready, look between your hands, cross your legs as you go in front, down on the glutes, legs in front, dandasana, straight your spine. Let's keep the feet flexed, pressing the toes a little bit against our body so we feel the hamstrings. Hands are next to the legs. You can just walk with the hands a little bit forwards. Don't try to reach the toes, not yet. Just try to bring your belly closer to your thighs. Looking at your toes, breathing. Keeping them nice, straight and flexed. One more breath. And then we straighten the spine. Bend the legs. Open the knees to the side, bringing the glutes closer to the feet. Slowly rolling down. Make sure your lower back is down. Recline butterfly. You can place the hands on your belly or maybe one on the chest. Just to feel the breath passing through your body. Close your eyes for a few breaths. Just to check in with your body, with your mind. How it's going through the practice, how your body feels. How your mind feels. Are you present? Are you here? Or are you wandering with your mind somewhere else? Just use this little break in the practice to reflect. And then we join the hands together, giving our body a nice big stretch. Let's close the knees, coming back on the feet, opening the hands, rolling up. You can help yourself just by grabbing the legs, bring yourself up, cross your legs. Let's go back on the hands, 1, 2 steps back. Chaturanga, we go down. As we inhale, we go in an up dog or cobra. Exhale, we go in a down dog. From here, let's look between the hands. We will make 1 step front with the right. Down with the knee, relax the back foot. Once you got the stability, you just go up with your body, moving the weights more front into your hips. Don't stay on your knee. Hands can be on the hips. Or after, you just bring them up. Make sure every exhale is going into your hips. Stay here for a while. Square hips. Don't turn them one side, just keep them straight. Now still, with the weight a little bit front and into our hips. As we exhale, we just arch the back. We look up, making a nice big circle with the arms, placing the hands on the mat, staying on the toes, bending the front leg, going front with the right knee. You can keep the foot tucked under. We can open it a bit more to the side, as long as your hips are square and you're not falling one side. Relax the back foot. Now you can stay up here, or with the exhale, you can go a little bit down with your chest. Don't relax completely yet. Inhale, we go up again. Now, if the right knee is front, just support yourself with the right hand, turning a bit to the left, trying to reach out for the left. Every exhale, bringing it closer to the glutes. And then letting it go again. Turning front, tucking the back foot, up with the knee. Back into the plank. Exhale, we go down. Chaturanga or knees just chin. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog. Now let's look between the hands. We will make 1 big step in front with the left foot. Keep it 90 degrees. You can always shuffle it a little bit with your hand. Let's go down on your knee. Relax the foot. Make sure that the weight is going a little bit more into the hips, in front. Once you get the stability, let's go up with your body. You can place your hands on your hips. Just also check if your hips are square. They're not turning one side or the other one. Every exhale going more into the hips. You can go up with your arms. And we will stay for a bit. Just try to kind of enjoy each pose you're doing by slowly breathing. Be aware of every movement. Every feeling of your muscles, of your body. Try to be aware after every exhale if there's a difference in your body, in your muscles, or in the part that you are targeting with the pose. Now still holding the legs the same as you exhale, but arch the back, making a big circle with the arms, placing the hands on the mat, taking the back toes up with the knee, bending the front leg, going front with the knee, pigeon pose. You can just keep it tucked under, or you can open foot a bit to the side as long as your hips are square. You can stay up here, or as you exhale, just slowly bring down your belly, chest, then head, and then up again. Now let's support yourself with the left hand if the left knee is front. Turn a bit to the right, reaching for your right foot. As you exhale, try to press it a little bit closer to the glutes. Stay with your body up. And then let go. Turning in front. Press into your palms, tuck your toes, one step back. Chaturanga, we go down. Inhale, up dog, squeeze your glutes. Exhale, down dog. Now let's go on the toes, very close to the thighs. And just go down with the knees. Relax the feet. Let's relax in a child pose. Let's just reconnect here with our breath, with our body, with our mind. Use the breath as a connection between your mind and your body. So just listen to it, to be present. To be here, to be with yourself, doing the practice. Let's go slowly back on the hands, on the knees, on the toes. You can just cross your legs. Bring your glutes back, legs in front, Dandasana. Make sure again your legs are straight and flexed. Hands next to the body. And again, you can just walk just a bit with your hands forward, very close to the legs. Or if you feel, just reach for your toes. But bring also the belly and the chest a little bit closer to your legs. Keep on breathing slowly. Remember, as we inhale, the belly's coming out. As we exhale, the belly's coming in, and we are melting more into the pose. Feeling a deep stretch. Then take your time to straighten your spine. Shoulders down. Look in front. Go with your glutes closer to your feet. Roll down on your spine, on your back. Keeping the feet open, same like your hips, and go to your glutes as close as possible. Hands next to your heels, next to your feet. Squeeze your glutes now. Strong core. As you exhale, go down, up, with your hips, staying just on your feet, on your shoulders. Imagine you're pushing yourself away with your feet, away from the ground. Still breathing through the belly. One more inhale. Exhale, then slowly go down. Keep your lower back down. Knees on the chest. And let's just go with one leg up. We cross with the right leg over the left. You can just cross or go fully in an eagle legs. Then bend your legs together. And we go with the knees to the left side, turning the head and extending the arm to the right. Giving our spine a nice twist.
Battery low.
Even here, just breathe through. Let's come back. Now we change. Right leg straight up. We go round with the left. You can just cross like this. Or you can go fully in an eagle legs. Bend your knees. Going with the knees to the right side. Looking to the left, extending the left arm to the side. Try to keep your shoulders down on the ground. Breathe slowly. And then let's come back. And just untie your legs. You can slowly just open your knees, close them again. Release anything from your hips. Release tension from the lower back. Just fly a bit with your knees, with your legs down and up. Relax your arms already next to your body. You can close your eyes. And then just keep the knees down, extend your legs, relax your feet, your legs completely. Keep your eyes closed. As we enter now Shavasana pose. Now we stay here for a couple of minutes. Again, just to reflect on our body. Reflect on our mind. Reconnect with our breath. So as you inhale, just acknowledge as your body feels. As you exhale, let go of any tension that you might have been holding. Inhale, bring the awareness to your body. Exhale, let go. Do the same with your mind. So inhale, just be aware. How are you feeling today? And as you exhale, just let go of any unwanted thoughts, unwanted feelings. Inhale, let's be aware and accept the way we feel today. Exhale, let go. As you're laying down here in Shavasana, completely relaxed. Just think about this moment as a new beginning, new start. So whatever you experienced before this practice, let go of that. So every second, every moment is an opportunity to start again, like to be reborn again. Talking about being reborn, think about yourself as a corpse. It's coming back alive. So we slowly start to move the fingers, move the toes. Feel the sensation in your body. And we circle with the hands, circle with the feet. Eyes still closed. And just stretch the arms now over the body, over the head as you inhale. And as you exhale, let's roll to your left hip, left side. And then let's bring your body slowly up, very gently, no fast or rush movement. Keeping your legs crossed, straightening the back. Shoulders down, hands relaxed on your knees. Now if you wish to stay a little bit longer, maybe to meditate in silence and be with yourself, feel free to do so. Otherwise, we join the hands together in front of the chest. Thank you for sharing the practice with me today. Namaste.